Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the amazing Risotto tabletop fire pit with S'mores maker kit. This high-quality fireplace is perfect for indoor or outdoor use, and it's the ideal addition to your home decor. With its durable steel base and tempered glass panes, this fire pit is built to last. And the best part? It's super easy to assemble, with no tools required. Just add the fuel and light it up for an instant fire. But that's not all. This fire pit also comes with a S'mores maker kit, including 3 extendable roasting sticks and a bamboo serving board. It's the perfect gift for any s'mores lover. The unique design of this tabletop fireplace makes it a great addition to any modern home or outdoor space. Whether it's your living room, patio, balcony, or garden, this fire pit will add a touch of elegance to any setting. And when it comes to portability, this fire pit is a winner. Weighing only about 4 pounds, it's easy to take with you wherever you go. Plus, it runs on clean burning fuel with no ash, soot, or smoke, making it safe for indoor use. So, if you're looking for the perfect gift for a special occasion, look no further. Whether it's for Mother's Day, a birthday, a wedding, or Christmas, the Risotto tabletop fire pit is sure to impress. Don't miss out on this amazing product. Click the link in the description to get your own Risotto tabletop fire pit with S'mores maker kit today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.